welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am, and if you're not, welcome back. All right, today is filming day, and I'm filming HoliDIY'S. Well, some of them, I'm at least filming the intros. So, if you guys have seen my studio tour, I've moved things around quite a bit, and I just anticipate that happening. So what actually I did when I realized how easy this bad boy is to move around, the Scrapbox, I put a lot of other things in my office on wheels so I can transform my entire room in like 2 seconds. So my big standing desk that you guys are on right now is on wheels. This is on wheels, and it doesn't face the best lighting when it's just in craft mode, but it's in film mode right now. So what I'm gonna do today, I actually need to run to Michael's really quick and get some Halloween papers. I already cut the Christmas papers, so I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna transform this thing as my backdrop super fast and super easy, and I'm gonna kind of like store the papers in a cute little box somewhere else so that I can easily transform it whenever I need to. It's like a really easy backdrop. Right now it is decorated. I have this little cute fire thing right here. I was doing a series for Craft Factory, and we needed it to match their branding, and I overhauled it within like 30 minutes, and I was like, this is so cool. I have to do this for the holidays, and I have to show you guys. So we have an SVG for this. It's a very simple pattern, so if you need to create it yourself, you can, but we have all those sizes laid out and different patterns. You can cut out different layers of paper. You can cut out labels for your Scrapbox if you need to. So let's get going. We're gonna just open this, but first I'm gonna move it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how easy it is to put in front of my windows right here and get it all set up for filming crafts. And then maybe it usually stays like that for like over a week, so I might not show you how I put it back, but just reverse the video, and that's how I put it back. Okay, so as you can see, I moved a desk in here for my assistant to work, and it's also another space I can work on. I have my my South Hill design. I can't remember the name of this, but I'll put it in the description. But this is my standing crafting desk that I absolutely love, except we put it on casters. So you're gonna see me move that in a second. And then the Scrapbox sits right there. I have these bins of crafts I'm working on right at the moment, which I'm gonna move into another room soon. But again, we have like the couch. So let me show you from this way. When you walk into this space, you still have this very cute living room. You've got Hunter, of course, he's everywhere, but you can't really see the workspace back there. But we're about to transform it. I do have to figure out a cool spot for this desk to go. My dream cart is over here now, so we're working on a lot of things right now, but this space can be cleaned up so fast and easy. But I'm just gonna pull all this right here and get that desk out of the way and transform that. It doesn't take long. When I pull it out to film, it takes up a good space in my studio, but I love that I can just put it back super easy, and it kind of gives me like this secret spot behind there that I can film and people aren't gonna bother me. And let me show you the lighting. Okay, so we have the 2 windows over there. I'm about to move that desk out so that it's right here, and I can kind of like close this off if I need it to be like a little space where it has a better backdrop. Like I can adjust these so that it fills the frame better. I can close some things off. I usually leave the little table down so that I can just stand between the desk and this, and it works out perfect. So let me get this there. Oh, let me show you the lighting. Tons of natural light back here, but I did get the little fiber lights or LED lights to put inside because I do have a new one of these because remember I told you the light didn't work. I'm gonna replace that. It's just a huge piece, so I have to actually get that done. But I did buy LED lights because I thought it would be cool to kind of illuminate some of it. But I have to figure out where to put them so that it doesn't stop it from closing. So we'll do that today as well. Okay, so Michael's was a success. I actually was gonna go like blacks and oranges and glittery, and then I was inspired by, so it's basically blush pink and black, which is my branding, and then it's Halloween, but they also had some other cute things that I was like, okay, that pumpkin is adorable, and this pumpkin was adorable, and so I got those two things, and then their Christmas stuff was already out, but it's not on sale. So if you want to do something like this, wait till Christmas sale. But if you want this, or if you want this is a blush pink. So I'm also going to be doing for the Christmas kind of a blush pink mixed in with reds and glitters for Christmas, which is what I normally do in my office anyways. So I was like, well, if I'm doing it for Halloween, some of this stuff will just stay up, and I'll change out like some of the blacks and golds for reds and teals or whatever. I usually do blush pink and teal for Christmas. This guy, I wasn't gonna get a skull because I don't know why I didn't want to get a skull at first. I was like, I really kind of wanted like a whole big old skeleton, and I was gonna maybe like dress him up, but I feel like that would take up so much space on here, and although it would be really cute, I honestly hate storing stuff. So I'm trying to go practical here and not too many big things. But then I thought he could be wearing Mickey ears, and I can make him some bows. So he'll be super cute. They had some like decked out littler ones, but I wanted kind of like a head size one so that Mickey ears would fit on him. And then I got black and white. I feel like that goes with my branding. I have this already, but because it goes with my branding, I like to keep it in stock. Then they had another paper pack that has pink, some of them are pink and some of them are gold. Thought those would be cute for the medium size bins. And I bought one sheet of this. It's like velvet, so I have to use that sparingly because that was a little bit more expensive. And then I bought this entire glitter pack from Recollections, which I thought would be perfect because they're neutrals and they will probably work for more than just the Halloween theme. And then I bought the Spook Hill the paper pack, and these were buy one get two free, so I actually got two other packs that are not for this project. They're for a different project. And I probably won't use a lot of these, but I'll probably use a lot of them. But not everything in here matches the branding, but some of it does, and it was cheap, so I got that. I like to use the Cricut to cut this size and the baby size and the circles if you don't have the circle punch. But I have the circle punch for the circles that I really love, and then I also just like to cut this with my slice tool. So you guys have seen me do that on my other video, how I decorated it. So I'm probably not gonna walk you through like every little step, but I do wanna make new labels. So that's probably the most time consuming part. Okay, so the first steps I don't have any paper in my chalked up paint because I have all the colors I need. Right now I have the branding pulled forward from the branding that we were doing. So I have the purple, the pink, the teal, the orangish pink and teal in my paints. I had these cute little flowers. I had anything that matched the branding sitting out here. I took some of my glitters that matched the branding. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take all these glitters out, all these paints, and put them back, and then just shift the colors forward that we're working with. And if I don't have the colors that match, I can just put a piece of paper in there. Let's see, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? So the final steps were to add the banner, which I did, and lights. So I know it kind of looks kind of weird at the moment, but it looks kind of cool in the intros because it just kind of pops that background a little bit more, and they're really cool. So are you guys ready for the final tour of the Scrapbox? Let's go.